rocker brushes are gonna turn on in a minute. There it went. You can see they're much wider. Very interesting. And eventually they will turn off. You see the rocker brush is washing the car right now. It's very cool. Very interesting. It's gonna shut off in a minute. They're gonna shut off. Look how fast that thing's spinning. They actually don't hurt when they're hitting you for some reason. You'd think, there's a wraparound washing the car, but you think, because I've touched the drying ones, they just feel like you're like that. They don't hurt that much, and there it went. Kind of missed it, but I mean, still, I kind of got it. So yeah, just during next, and I will be uploading this on Beach Inflatables.